For decades, the 5.0 V8, better known as the Coyote engine, has been one of the most beloved power plants ever produced by Ford Motor Company. Found in the Mustang, F-150, and other performance-oriented models, this engine has built a reputation for strong performance, high revving character, and solid long-term durability. But like any modern engine, especially one that balances power, emissions, and efficiency, the 5.0 V8 hasn't been completely free of issues. Owners have reported a handful of recurring concerns over the years, ranging from oil consumption to ticking noises and cold start quirks. Now, Ford appears to have quietly addressed many of these concerns with a new fix, one that could dramatically improve owner satisfaction, longevity, and confidence in the engine moving forward. Let's break down what this fix is, why it matters, and why 5.0-liter V8 owners should be genuinely excited. The legacy of the 5.0L Coyote V8. Before diving into the fix, it's important to understand just how significant this engine is. The modern 5.0L Coyote debuted in 2011 as a clean-sheet redesign of Ford's V8 architecture. It replaced the older modular V8 and immediately stood out for its high revving nature, 7,000-plus RPM capability, strong horsepower output, lightweight aluminum construction, advanced variable valve timing. Over time, Ford continued refining the engine across multiple generations. Gen 1, 2011 to 2014, strong base, some early quirks. Gen 2, 2015 to 2017, improved airflow and efficiency. Gen 3, 2018 to 2023, direct injection added for more power. Gen 4, 2024 plus, further refinements and durability upgrades. Despite these improvements, some issues persisted, especially in Gen 3 engines. The problems that frustrated owners. While the 5.0-liter V8 is widely respected, certain complaints have been consistent across forums, dealerships, and long-term ownership reports. 1. Oil consumption concerns. One of the most discussed issues has been excessive oil consumption, particularly in some 28-plus models. Owners reported frequent need to top off oil levels dropping faster than expected, concerns about long-term engine wear. 2. The infamous ticking noise. Another common complaint is the Coyote tick, a ticking or tapping noise heard at idle or low RPM. While often harmless, it caused anxiety among owners because it sounded like valve train wear. It was inconsistent across vehicles. It lacked clear explanation initially. 3. Cold start knock. Some drivers noticed a brief knocking sound during cold starts, especially in colder climates. Experts suggested this could be related to piston-to-cylinder wall clearance, oil flow timing, combustion characteristics at startup. 4. Direct injection side effects. With the introduction of direct injection in Gen 3, carbon buildup became a concern, something common across many modern engines. Ford's new fix. What changed? Ford's new fix isn't a single component. It's a combination of engineering refinements, software updates, and revised internal tolerances that collectively address these issues. Improved piston and ring design. One of the biggest changes is in the piston and piston ring configuration. Experts point out that revised ring tension helps reduce oil consumption, improved sealing minimizes blow-by, better material coatings reduce wear over time. An automotive engineer familiar with modern V8 design explains, oil consumption in high-performance engines is often a balancing act. Ford's updated ring design appears to improve sealing without sacrificing efficiency. Updated engine calibration, ECU tuning. Ford has also refined the engine's software calibration. This includes optimized fuel delivery at startup, better ignition timing control, smoother idle behavior. These updates directly address cold start knock, idle ticking perception, combustion efficiency. Enhanced oil control system. Another critical improvement involves oil management. Changes include revised oil passages, improved PCV, positive crankcase ventilation system, better oil distribution during cold starts. This helps reduce oil consumption, improve lubrication consistency, extend engine life. Dual injection optimization. Ford's dual injection system, port plus direct injection, has also been refined. Experts highlight that port injection helps clean intake valves, improve balance between systems, reduces carbon buildup, fuel atomization is more consistent. Why this fix matters for owners. These updates may sound technical, but their real-world impact is huge. 1. increased confidence. One of the biggest benefits is peace of mind. Owners no longer have to constantly monitor oil levels, worry about unusual noises, question engine reliability. 2. Better long-term durability. With improved oil control and reduced wear, engine components last longer, internal friction is reduced, maintenance intervals become more predictable. 3. Improved driving experience. Subtle refinements make a big difference. Smoother cold starts, quieter idle, more consistent performance. 4. Lower ownership costs. Reducing oil consumption and wear means fewer oil top-offs, less risk of major repairs, better resale value. Expert insights. What engineers are saying. Industry experts see this update as part of a broader trend. Modern V8 engines are under immense pressure to meet emission standards, maintain performance, improve fuel efficiency. Balancing all three is extremely difficult. A powertrain specialist explains, the Coyote engine has always been a high-performance design. What Ford is doing now is refining the edges, making it more livable without losing its character. Another expert adds, we're seeing a shift where manufacturers are using software and materials science to solve problems that used to require major mechanical redesigns. How it compares to competitors. Ford's improvements come at a time when V8 engines are facing intense competition, not just from rivals, but from electrification, versus GM's small block V8. Compared to GM's pushrod V8 engines, Ford's Coyote revs higher. GM engines often have simpler designs. Ford's updates bring it closer in reliability perception of Ram Hemi. Compared to Ram's Hemi, the Coyote is more technologically advanced. The Hemi is known for simplicity and torque. Ford's fix improves long-term durability concerns. What this means for future Ford V8s. This fix isn't just about current owners, it signals the future direction of Ford's V8 program. Despite the push toward electrification, Ford is clearly committed to keeping the V8 alive, especially in trucks, F-150, performance cars, Mustang, special editions, and enthusiast models. Experts believe future Coyotes will continue evolving. Hybrid integration could enhance performance. Durability improvements will remain a priority. Should current owners be concerned? If you already own a 5.0 V8, here's the good news. Not all engines experience these issues. Many problems are minor or cosmetic. Proper maintenance goes a long way. However, it may be worth checking for software updates, using recommended oil types, monitoring engine behavior. In some cases, dealerships may apply updated components or calibrations. Is this fix available now? The improvements are already being implemented in newer models, particularly latest Mustang generations, updated F-150 models, recent production engines. Some updates may also be available as technical service bulletins, TSBs, software updates, revised replacement parts. Owners should check with their local dealership for specifics. The bigger picture, refining a legend. The 5.0-liter Coyote V8 has always been a special engine, but like all modern designs, it needed refinement. Ford's latest fix shows a clear commitment to listening to customer feedback, improving real-world reliability, maintaining performance heritage. This isn't a radical redesign, it's a smart evolution. And sometimes, that's exactly what an engine needs. Final thoughts. For years, the 5.0 V8 has been a cornerstone of Ford's lineup, delivering power, character, and excitement. Now with these new fixes in place, it's becoming something even better. More refined, more reliable, more confidence-inspiring. For current owners, it's reassurance. For future buyers, it's a green light. And for enthusiasts, it's proof that the V8 isn't going anywhere just yet. As one expert perfectly summarized, the Coyote isn't just surviving, it's evolving. And this latest update shows Ford still knows exactly what enthusiasts want.